that the rights of workers in our state should be protected.
Miracle Rankin is a personal injury lawyer. Jen Jordan is an attorney and Democratic former state senator.
Versus the rest of us.
In advertising running statewide, they team up to ask voters to send them to the state Supreme Court.
To fight for what's fair.
They're challenging two justices appointed by Republican governors.
We're honored to be here with Justice Warren and Justice Bethel.
This month, Republican Governor Brian Kemp posted a video imploring voters to re-elect Justices Sarah Hawkins Warren and Charlie Bethel.
Scroll to the nonpartisan portion of the ballot.
Thanks so much.
You always have to apply existing principles of law to new circumstances that arise.
The state Supreme Court is the state's top appellate court.
This type of question here is hypothetical to some degree.
Justice Warren, a Kemp appointee, was among those questioning lawyers earlier this week.
That seems to be an unresolved question.
As was Justice Bethel, who was a Republican state senator before Governor Nathan Deal appointed him to the court. He and Warren and the two challengers will appear on ballots this spring as nonpartisan candidates, the same ballots on which hard-fought partisan races for governor and U.S. Senate will appear.
You've got to run on your resume, on your principles about the rule of law, for example. It's very difficult to drive a partisan message and stay within the rules of these judicial races.
But state Democrats are pushing hard for Jordan and Rankin and producing dark messaging targeting Bethel and Warren.
Charlie Bethel and Sarah Warren have cost us enough.
Because the Supreme Court candidates will not be identified on the ballot by political party, the biggest question in this race may be whether the voters can remember going into the voting booth which candidates are affiliated with which political parties.